add some of these options into your routine. Take those old options out. Put these in, take those out, okay? You will see some changes. Once you start making some changes, you're gonna see some changes. Guaranteed, there's no way around it. Are you on a weight loss journey, but your snacking is holding you back from hitting your goals? Well, check out some of these options I found to really help you keep yourself on track, really help you hold yourself accountable, help you get to your next meal. Check these out. Now, a lot of my videos, I always recommend you get something like this, these pure protein drinks, ready to drink. Man, they're just so simple. But if you don't want to go with something like this clean, simple, clear protein soda, man, you can't beat it. Grab you a cup of ice or grab you a cup of frozen berries. Put this on top, man, you got your 20 grams of protein right there, man, with the quickness. It is so simple, okay? So go check these out. I'm here at Target. You can go check these out right now. The good thing about these also, you're getting your protein. If you put it with the frozen berries, you're getting a little more fiber and it gets some more flavor, and it's help filling your stomach up, okay? So you can mix this with some other type of small snack that'll help you get to your next meal, all right? So definitely go check these out. Now, if you need a little bit more protein, check these out right here. These Slates, 30 grams of protein. Same thing, just put it over a cup of ice, all right? This will help you get to your next meal. If your problem is snacking, you gotta start snacking smarter. Adding something like this into your daily routine will help you reach your goals, okay? Do not go for those snacks you have been grabbing, because that's why you're in the position that you're in right now, right? You need to make some changes, because if nothing changes, nothing changes. This right here will help you make some changes, all right? You gotta keep these snacks in stock, right? Because that's a big problem. Whenever you're dieting, snacks are a huge problem. That's what can really throw our diets off, okay? So getting something like this will help. Let's look for some other ones. Okay, another great option. If you don't want to get a big box of these, what you can do, you can go in the back row where all the waters are and sports drinks, and they usually have the single cans right there. If you just want to give it a shot, see how you like it, see what flavor you want to roll with, grab you one of these, check it out. Remember, put it over some ice. It's gonna taste great. Now back here, they usually have these too. These are pretty much one of my favorites. If you've had Core Power, let me know in the comments. Come on now. Core Power is great. 42 grams of protein. You cannot beat that, all right? Let me know if you get down with Core Power. What's your favorite? They have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. They're all good, all right? So these come in clutch. When you need a quick snack, these really come in clutch, all right? And Target even has these right here, these Pioneer Pastures. All right, 30 grams of protein. It's plenty of protein to get you to your next meal, all right? So you can come check these out. Like I said, definitely come back here to this aisle where you have all these options right here. And, oh look, like I said, they got the 42. Look at that, strawberry. Come on now, strawberry is so good, all right? And the cool thing is, if you have a Ninja Creamy, you can use this right here, make you an ice cream, all right? That's just a little pro tip. Make your strawberry ice cream, 42 grams of protein, add a little bit of milk to it, bump that protein up. Man, you can have your bowl of ice cream like 50 grams of protein with the quickness, all right? And it tastes great, okay? So you can check that out too. All right, I get it. For a lot of us, sodas are a big deal. That's one of the main things that could be holding us back from our goals, right? One soda could really set you back. If you have a few a day, come on now, it's really gonna set you back. But real talk, if you don't want to put the sodas down, if you don't want to completely stop, let's just look for some better options, all right? Dr. Pepper, right? 12-ounce can, one can, 150 calories, 40 grams of carbs, all right? So if this is what you usually get down with, maybe just try to switch it up a little bit, all right? Go get you a mini, okay? And hold yourself accountable, and maybe just have one mini a day. You usually have a few sodas a day, then instead of just taking sodas completely out, try to get you a mini. All right, let's look at these minis now. All right, one can of a mini is 90 calories and 25 grams of carbs. All right, so that's half of what you're drinking. That's why it's a mini. Go get you some minis and use those instead of what you've been using in the past, all right? You will see some changes, all right? Or you can just use what I use personally. What my go-to is A&W. Come on now, look at that, 0-calorie root beer. These things are amazing. I keep these in stock. I use them all the time. So we got 0 calories and 0 carbs. Come on now, you can't beat that. Go get you some of these. If you don't like root beer, I don't know what to tell you. Root beer is great. If you do drink these, let me know in the comments. If you drink these, man, keep them in stock, all right? Another great thing you can do with these is mix these in with like some ice cream, or even put it with your Ninja Creamy ice cream or something like that. Whatever kind of ice cream you want to roll with, whatever fits into your personal macros, and make you afloat, man. I'm trying to tell you, it will take care of a sweet tooth and it'll hold you down to your next meal. I'm trying to tell you, okay? So go grab you some A&W. Okay, one of your go-to snacks is chips. I want you to go check these out. These will also help. These are easy to carry with you. These Siete potato chips, all they have in is potatoes, avocado oil, and sea salt. Come on now, you can't beat that, all right? So these are individually bagged, so it makes it super simple just to grab your bag, take it with you. If you're leaving the house, or you just need a quick snack at work or whatever it is, grab you one of these, all right? You can get the big box here at Target. But I'm trying to tell you, these jokers will help you on your snacking, all right? You need to replace some of your old snacks with some new snacks and start holding yourself accountable, okay? Okay, now I'm a big fan of Catalina Crunch cereal. If you ever had Catalina Crunch cereal, let me know in the comments because that stuff is good. What's your favorite flavor to go with also? Did you know Catalina Crunch also makes a snack, all right? And these snacks are great. I've traveled with them before. I keep these on me if you need a quick snack. This is one of my personal favorites right here, this spicy one, because I like spicy stuff. You don't have to get spicy, they have different flavors, but man, one serving, 10 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat that. That is a quick snack, and these jokers taste good. Have you tried these before, Catalina Crunch snacks? Man, these jokers are good. I'm trying to tell you. Measure out one serving, put it in a container, take it with you throughout the day. All right, when you need a snack, you go grab this, 10 grams of protein. It'll help fill you up. It'll help get you to your next meal. That's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to get you to your next meal without grabbing some snacks that you used to grab, which is why you're in the position that you're in right now, right? So go get you some new snacks. I'm trying to tell you, put some new snacks in your life. Get those old ones out. Go look for Catalina Crunch. Just give them a shot. Man, they're good. If you've had these before, let me know because, man, one of my favorite snacks for sure, okay? Another way to really knock out a sweet tooth, come stop by the chip aisle. But what I want you to do is go look for these right here. These LesserEvil popcorn, get you some of this, mix it with the carbonated water, and this will hold you down until your next meal, okay? You gotta measure it out. Don't just go eat half this bag, all right? You're gonna throw off your macros big time, okay? Make sure you measure it out. One serving is 2 cups, all right? 110 calories. Mix this, like I said, with your favorite carbonated water, mix it with the A&W root beer, or you can even mix it with one of those protein shakes. If you just need something to get you to the next meal, this will really help fill your stomach up, okay? So LesserEvil, man, go check these out. Let me know if you get down with LesserEvil. Let me know in the comments if you like these. This is a cheat code. It will help you get to your next meal, all right? Real talk. And of course, since we're in the chip aisle, you know you gotta look for the Quest. Come on now. If you need some chips, and you want to get some protein, gotta go with Quest. It's one of my favorite. Talk about it all the time in my videos. You cannot beat it, all right? 1 ounce of this is gonna get you 17 grams of protein. Make sure you measure it out. Don't just go eat this whole bag, all right? If you eat the whole bag, make sure you measure that out too, okay? Make sure you put it in MyFitnessPal, all right? But they got different flavors. You can go with this one. One of my other favorites is nacho cheese. What's your favorite flavor? Let me know in the comments, because man, if you get down with Quest, I'm trying to tell you, it's like a cheat code getting your protein in, especially when you're hungry, especially when you need a snack, you need something to get you to that next meal. Quest chips, carbonated water, that's gonna hold you down. You're gonna get your protein. And I'm trying to tell you, man, these jokers are great, all right? Let me know if you get down with Quest, come on now. Now, I've said this before, I'm gonna say it again. These come in clutch. Chomps, go get you some Chomps, okay? If you know about Chomps, let me know in the comments. If you get down with Chomps, what's your favorite flavor? This one right here is my favorite flavor right here, jalapeno. Jalapeno can be hard to find sometimes, but Target's got you covered, all right? So go get you some Chomps. 1 stick, 100 calories, 10 grams of protein. You can also go with the regular flavor if you want to, nothing wrong with that. But I'm telling you, if you have one of these with a carbonated water, it will hold you down to your next meal. I'm trying to tell you, I keep these with me all the time. I keep them in my vehicle. I keep them in my gym bag. I just keep them in stock, all right? Because man, these are such a great way to help you get to your next meal. This will help you avoid grabbing something you shouldn't be grabbing. And that's the reason why you're in a position that you're in right now, right? So get you some Chomps. I'm trying to tell you, keep these in stock. I'm trying to tell you, they all kinds of flavors. Look at it, smoky barbecue, taco season. Come on now, they got any kind of flavor. Let me know what your favorite flavor is with Chomps, all right? Another one of my snacks that I love to have all the time. Go find you some rice cakes. You can find them anywhere, but these right here, these are great. They knock out a sweet tooth and it helps fill your stomach up. These are the chocolate flavor. They have all kinds of different flavor. I like the white cheddar. I also like the plain. If you have plain ones, you just put honey on top. You could put some of that sugar-free chocolate syrup on top. Keep some rice cakes in stock. These jokers will come in clutch whenever you need something. And if you don't want to get the big ones, make it easy. Just get a bag of the small ones, all right? And take them with you. Take them to work. Take them as you're driving around the vehicle. But these will help hold you accountable. They'll help you from grabbing a snack that you shouldn't be grabbing, all right? I have these all the time. They really help fill you up. Once again, carbonated water, mix in some fruit, and it's just such an easy way to get your snacks so that you don't grab something you shouldn't be grabbing, all right? So go check out rice cakes now. Don't sleep on rice cakes. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out with these snack options. Add some of these options into your routine. Take those old options out. Put these in, take those out, okay? You will see some changes. Once you start making some changes, you're gonna see some changes. Guaranteed, there's no way around it. Let me know what snacks you already carry. What are your go-to snacks as well? What keeps you accountable? What helps you get to your goals, okay? Put those down in the comments. Now, I'll keep making these videos now. Come on now, we're all gonna keep getting better. Let's go.